Hello and welcome to the Ministry of Miracles. In this video, I wanted to share a great opportunity with you. I'm Arif, Gilany, the author of the Ministry of Miracles. Our intentions are to help you create miracles in your own life. I also authored The Mountains Are Calling. When your mountain is calling you, you got to take action. I read a book recently that talked about automatic habits. What is automatic habit? Automatic habit is the key to your success. See, there's a conscious mind when we're thinking about things, and there's a subconscious mind that controls all the things we do and think. The subconscious mind is the habit mind. What does that mean? The automatic habits that you repeat every single day become a part of who you are, and it affects your productivity, your health, your relationships, and your financial situation. So with that, allow me to introduce you to the greatest opportunity of last 3 decades that I have come across and developed with a number of my mentors and teachers to get a unique product out to the market through network affiliate marketing. Allow me to introduce Camel Care Therapeutic Comfort Wear affiliate program marketing. This program is going to continue from August of 2024 to December 3rd, 2024. In the next 90 days, we are looking for 7 different distributors across Ontario to help us get the message of health and well-being through these incredible socks to the public. Now, what do you get in it? The most profound question of all times is, what's in it for me? If you're a Canadian, if you're an American, chances are you're just getting by. You're paying your bills. You have a full-time job. Perhaps you take a vacation a year or maybe every couple of years, and you're satisfied with your life. But we here at the Camel Care Canada believe that you were just meant more than survival. You were meant for much more. You have potential, and I want to help you. Give you a product, give you a mentorship, give you a program, give you a pathway into the future where you can build your own beautiful life. I wrote this big book in 2018 as I was recalling who I was after a hit and run accident, and that left me totally empty of memories. I couldn't even recognize my own family. I wrote this book as a reminder of who I was and what was calling me, the mountain that was calling me to conquer this cancer, this illness, this arthritis, these things that are eating away at friends and family and everyone else. So we develop products that help address the concern of pain and illness. Ladies and gentlemen, you can create miracles in your own life. You can rebuild your own health. You can build your own wonderful, beautiful relationships. You can build a legacy for you and your family that extend beyond money. I am so blessed to have the attention of the right people right now. And the successful person is not a person that comes across a lot of money. That will build ego, and ego is a big destruction. You always have probably heard that if you were today to distribute all of the money in the world amongst all of the people equally in less than 3 years, all of this money would be back in the hands of the same people that have the money right now. And that all has to do with their mindset. I'm going to teach you a mindset within 90 days where you can shift your thinking from misery, pain, and lack to abundance, health, and prosperity. That's the program that I'm offering you. You need to get on our website, www.camelcare.store. Check out the affiliate program. Get in touch with us with your questions. So many of people who came to our last events have booked appointments. We've had conversations. We're bringing them products on wholesale basis. We're signing them up as affiliates. Don't miss out this chance, because next year will be totally different, and I look forward to helping you achieve all your goals and dreams. I'm Arif Gilany. This is Camel Care Canada. Have a wonderful weekend. Look forward to sending you your pair of camel socks.